times of financial need, it's common for individuals to explore various options to access quick cash. One avenue often considered is obtaining a cash advance from a credit card. Credit card companies typically offer this service, allowing cardholders to withdraw cash from their credit line. Discover, one of the prominent credit card issuers, also provides this facility to its customers. However, before opting for a cash advance from your Discover card, it's crucial to understand the process, associated fees, and potential implications. How does cash advance work? A cash advance from a credit card functions differently from a standard purchase transaction. When you make a purchase using your credit card, you're essentially borrowing money from the card issuer to pay the merchant. On the other hand, a cash advance involves withdrawing cash directly from your credit line. With Discover, you can obtain a cash advance through various channels. ATM withdrawal. You can use your Discover card at ATMs that accept Discover cards to withdraw cash. The process is similar to using a debit card but involves selecting the cash advance option and entering a PIN provided by Discover. Over-the-counter transaction. Some financial institutions allow you to visit a bank branch and request a cash advance over the counter using your Discover card. Convenience checks. Discover may provide convenience checks attached to your monthly statement, which you can use to withdraw cash. However, keep in mind that using these checks often incurs higher fees compared to other methods. Fees and charges. While cash advances provide immediate access to funds, they come with a cost. It's essential to be aware of the fees and charges associated with cash advances from Discover. Cash advance fee. Discover typically charges a fee for cash advances, which is either a flat rate or a percentage of the amount withdrawn. This fee is usually higher than the fees for regular transactions. Interest rate. Cash advances usually accrue interest from the day of the transaction, unlike purchases, which may have a grace period. The interest rate for cash advances is often higher than the standard purchase APR. ATM fees. If you use an ATM to withdraw cash, you may incur additional fees charged by the ATM operator. Foreign transaction fee. If you obtain a cash advance in a foreign currency or while traveling abroad, Discover may charge a foreign transaction fee in addition to other fees. Credit limit and cash advance limit. Your credit limit represents the maximum amount you can borrow using your Discover card. However, the cash advance limit may be lower than your overall credit limit. Discover determines your cash advance limit based on various factors, including your credit history and account standing. It's crucial to understand your cash advance limit and ensure that you don't exceed it. Attempting to withdraw more than your cash advance limit may result in declined transactions or additional fees. Alternatives to cash advances. While cash advances provide immediate funds, they are generally expensive and should be considered as a last resort. Before opting for a cash advance from your Discover card, explore alternative options. Emergency fund. If possible, rely on an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses rather than resorting to cash advances. Personal loan. Consider applying for a personal loan from a bank or credit union, which may offer more favorable terms compared to cash advances. Balance transfer. If you need funds to pay off existing debts, consider a balance transfer to a credit card with a lower interest rate or promotional APR. Negotiate payment plans. For certain expenses, such as medical bills or utilities, contact the service provider to negotiate a payment plan rather than resorting to a cash advance. While Discover cardholders have the option to obtain cash advances, it's essential to weigh the costs and consider alternatives before proceeding. Cash advances come with high fees, interest rates, and potential implications for your credit score. Therefore, it's prudent to use cash advances sparingly and only in genuine emergencies. Before opting for a cash advance, review your financial situation, explore alternative sources of funds, and consider the long-term impact on your financial health.